We bought the Asmund Corner Log Cabin. The cabin was delivered early on Monday morning. The pallet was opened and the items separated off into their specific types and lengths, ready for the build. The base for the cabin is block paved. The actual building of the cabin was very simple, as the logs were well machined and went together relatively easy. The windows and doors slid into place easily too. I opted for the composite profiled log base just to ensure longevity of the cabin. Inside, we kept the cabin with the natural looking wood. Outside, we decided not to paint the log cabin, but just to put a natural oil all over. The roof went together easily and fitted together well. We went for the blue shingles, which I thought is the better than the felt, as we were found to be more robust, easy to lay and fix. The only screws we used were for the roof and shingles and the roof centre cap. This was bought separately, but I think finishes it off well. I would definitely recommend this cabin to anybody.